Hello guys, so for today I will showcase my dragon in Build a Boat for Treasure. I am so sorry for not uploading every day. Like and subscribe, I will post vids daily. So let's start. I hope you like my dragon. It's not finished yet, still finding time to fix this. I will also change the tail, it is kinda short. I made the body so detailed so it can be somehow cool. The wings also not done yet, but it comes. What's cool for me, hee. Also, it has no feet yet, sad. This is the inside. I will also put a lot of chairs here so people can sit.
Smoking gun, you got me on the run. We know that will come. We're up till dawn, but how can I hide it without an alibi? It's a rubber's fight without an alibi.
Thank you guys for watching. If you want a tutorial for this dragon, put in the comments #tutorial.like and subscribe for more showcase vids.